In our today's class, we gonna discuss about the new topic, that is thick and thin. Our today's topic name is thick and thin. See, before going to our today's class, let us recall about our previous class. What we have discussed in our previous class? Do you know? Yes, very good. We have discussed about the weight, right? Yes. See, for measuring the weight, what do we need? For measuring the weight of an object, we need two things, right? What are those two things? The two things, first one is balance. Have you seen the balance, right, yesterday? Yes, that is the balance. And second is weighing machine. Weighing machine. Have you seen this weighing machine? Where all can you see this weighing machine? You can see this weighing machine and balance in the markets and also in such other grocery shops. You can see all these two things in the shops and markets and etc. right? Yes. In the same way, giving one example, let us move on to the today's class. Okay? Yes. See, this is the dry leaf. Okay? This is the dry leaf and this is duster. In this duster and dry leaf, which is the heavier object? Which is the heavier object? Leaf is the heavier object? No. Then duster is the heavier object. Write down, duster is the heavier object than compared to the leaf. And also we can say one more time, that is leaf is the lighter than duster. Okay. This is about our previous class. Dear children, until now we have discussed about our previous class. Now let us move on to the today's class. In that we are going to discuss about the thick and thin. What is thick and thin? What is thick and thin and how the objects are differentiated under the thick and under the thin? Let us see now. Okay, dear children, now let us see few examples on thick and thin. Okay, I will show the two pictures on the board. In that pictures you have to identify which object is thick and which is the thin object. Okay, yes. See the picture? Yes. See, you can see the trees, right? Two trees are there, right? Yes. In that is the first tree and this is the second tree. Okay. Tree number 1 and tree number 2. In this, tree number 1 is very thick. Tree number 1 is very thick, right? Yes. Tree number 2, it is having very thin. It is very thin. Okay. Thick in the sense like this. Thin in the sense like this. Okay. See, you compare the two trees and you have to tell which is the thickest tree and which is the thinnest tree. Okay. See here. Tree number 1 is the thickest tree and tree number 2 is the thinnest tree. Okay. You have to see my hands. Okay. Thickest tree and thinnest tree. Okay. Write down here. Tree 1 is the thickest tree and tree number 2 is the thinnest tree. Okay. Thickest tree is tree number 1 and thinnest tree is tree number 2. Okay. I have given the numbers on the tree. 1 is the first tree is thickest and the second tree is thinnest. Okay. Yes. Next, let us move on to the second example. See here. Yes, dear children. Example number 2. Yes. Can you see the book on the board? There are how many number of books? 2 books, right? Yes. In that 2 books, you can see which is the thickest book and which is the thinnest book. Yes. See, the first book is the thinnest book. It is having this much size, right? Yes. Therefore, the first book is the thinnest book and second book is the thickest book. It is having much thicker, right? Yes. See, the first book is the thinnest book. It is having this much size. Therefore, the first book is the thinnest book and the second book is the thickest book, right? Yes, this is the very good example. Book number 1 is thin and book number 2 is thick, right? Write on this. Book number 2 is thickest book and book number 1 is thinnest book. Okay. Now you came to know thick and thin difference, right? Thick means having much size. Thin means having only the thin means having small size. Okay. Yes. Next, let us move on to the example number 3. Yes, you can also compare your textbook with your notebook. If you compare your textbook with your notebook, then you are coming to know which is the thickest and which is the thinnest. See, this is your textbook. Okay, this is your textbook. It is this much thin. Okay, and you take your notebook. This is this much thin. Okay, in these two books, which is the thickest book? Which is the thickest book? In these two. In these two, your textbook is the thickest book, right? Your textbook is having thick than compared to your notes, okay? Therefore, you have to write textbook is thick and your notebook is thin, okay? Yes. Let us move on to the next example. Example number 3. Yes. See, can you see the marker and the sketch pen? Can you see marker as well as sketch pen? Which is thin and which is thick? Which is thin and which is thick? Remember and tell me. Look at the board carefully. Yes. Marker is the thickest. Marker is thickest, right? Yes. Therefore, marker is the thickest and your sketch pen is the thinnest. Marker is thickest and your sketch pen is thinnest. See here. You write the marker under the thickest. Marker. Marker is having thick means it will write thickly, right? Marker tumba dappa agi bariyutte, right? Yes. When you compare to the sketch pen will write lighter. I will show you. Look at here. Yes, dear children. Now let us see. There are two sketch pens, right? Yes, this is the sketch pen and this is the marker. These two are same color. This is black sketch pen and this is black marker. Now let us see which write thicker and which write thinner. Okay. Obviously, the sketch pen will write thinner, right? Let us see now. Draw a line using the sketch pen. This is the sketch pen's drawing. Okay. Now let us see, or now let us draw the line using this marker. Which will write thicker? Let us see now. Which will write thicker? Do you know? Yes. Sketch will write thinner and this marker will write thicker. See? Marker will write thicker and this sketch pen will write thinner. Therefore, sketch pen is thinner and this marker is thicker. Now you came to know that marker will write this much thick. Pencil or your sketch pen will write very thin. Okay? Yes, compare that too. Sketch pen is thin. Okay? Sketch pen write thin and marker writes thick. Now you came to know that, right? Yes, marker will write very thick than compared to the sketch pen. Yes. Next, let us move on to the example number 4. Yes, dear children, here is the example number 4. Look at here. See, these are sticks, right? These are sticks. In these two sticks, which is the thickest stick and which is the thinnest stick? This is very thick, right? This is the stick number 1. We write it as stick number 1. See? Stick number 1. Okay. And this is the stick number 2. In this both, which is very thick and which is very thin? This is very thin and this is very thick, right? This is stick number 1 and this is stick number 2. See here, stick number 1 is thickest. Write down this. Stick 1 is thick and stick 2 is thin. See, in picture also you can see stick 1 is very thick and stick 2 is very thin, right? Yes. Next, let us move on to the example number 5. Yes, dear children, example number 5 is done practically. You can see here. Yes, dear children, do you know what are these? These are the bangles, right? Yes. Now you see, this is the bangle 1, okay? And this is the bangle 2. In this bangle 1 and bangle 2, which bangle is having thick? Which is the thickest bangle? See, this sky blue color or bangle number 2 is thickest. See, this is width. This width is this much, right? This width is very thick than compared to this bangle 1. See, which is having more width? This bangle 2 is having more width. Therefore, this bangle is thickest bangle and this bangle is thin bangle. See, bangle number 1 is thin bangle and bangle number 2 is thick bangle. Yes, dear children, in our practically we came to know that the bangle 2 is thicker, right? The bangle 2 is thicker. Bangle 2. Bangle 2 is thickest bangle, right? Yes. Bangle 1 is thinnest bangle. Right? Yes. You can use the things in your surrounding. You make a differentiation of thick objects and thin objects. Okay. Yes, dear children. I hope you all understood the today's class. Let us meet in the next class with the new concept and very interesting concept. Thank you. Bye, children.